Hello everyone, I am Tarcia, and my husband and I don't have words to stress how important Mark Hof's Express Entry step-by-step guide has been. We wanted to apply to Express Entry, but we didn't know how to do it, how to start. So that's when my husband came across Mark Hof's material through the Canadian Immigration podcast. And I can say to you that was really wonderful because everything is so easy, self-explanatory, organized, separated topic by topic. And because he does some screen records of the system, he can navigate you through the actual system of the CIC. So you can get used to the system and prepare all your documents before the application. And also we had an extensive doubt about a personal issue 5 months after the purchase, and he insisted on answering each one of our questions. That's when we realized that we're not just numbers. He was really interested on helping us, and because of this excellent after-sales service is that we highly recommend to everybody that's thinking of applying by yourself. We wish you all the best on this journey to become your permanent resident, and stay warm.